How to make someone to have a growth mindset. Developing a growth mindset involves believing that intelligence, abilities, and talents can be developed through dedication and hard work. Here are some tips for helping someone develop a growth mindset. 1. Encourage a yet mentality. Instead of saying I can't do this, encourage the person to say I can't do this yet. This helps shift the focus to the potential for growth and improvement. 2. Emphasize effort and progress. Praise the person for their effort and progress rather than just their achievements. This helps reinforce the idea that hard work and dedication can lead to improvement. 3. Model a growth mindset. As a leader or mentor, model a growth mindset yourself. Share stories of times when you struggled and overcame challenges through hard work and dedication. 4. Encourage learning and curiosity. Encourage the person to seek out new challenges and opportunities to learn. Foster a curiosity about the world and the desire to learn and grow. 5. Reframe failure as learning opportunities. Help the person reframe failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than a reflection of their abilities. Encourage them to reflect on what they can learn from the experience and how they can improve in the future. By encouraging a growth mindset, individuals can develop the belief that they can improve and grow through dedication and hard work. This can lead to a more positive and productive attitude towards challenges and opportunities, and can help individuals achieve their goals and reach their full potential.